everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Ishika Bihani, an ACCA and an economist. The agenda for today's video is to help everyone understand how to become an ACCA and what are the steps to become an ACCA. Many students have been posting this question to me, so I thought let me make a video to help all of you understand. Now let us start. The exams are divided into two parts, fundamental and professional level. Now at the fundamental level, it is further divided into two parts, the fundamental knowledge level and the fundamental skill level. Fundamental knowledge level consists of the first four papers, that is from F1 to F4. The subjects are business and technology, management accounting, financial accounting and corporate law. Now please note that these first four papers are on-demand exams, which means you can give it all round the year and on any day. So now these first four papers, let us discuss the paper structure. The paper structure is going to be in the format of MCQs and it is a 2-hour paper. The minimum passing score that you need is going to be 50 marks. Now these first four papers is going to help the students to be introduced to costing, accounting, business models, business analysis and law. Now let us move on to the next level, that is your fundamental skill level. So at the fundamental skill level, we have papers from F5 to F9. We have the paper subject name as performance management, taxation, financial reporting, audit and assurance and financial management. Now these papers are conducted, the exams of these papers from F5 to F9 and also of the professional level papers. These exams are conducted only 4 times in a year, that is in March, June, September and December. The minimum passing score that you require in any of the ACCA exams is going to be 50 marks. Now for the papers from F5 to F9, let us discuss the paper structure. Here 60 marks is going to be objective, that is it's going to be MCQs, and 40 marks is going to be your subjective paper. These papers from F5 to F9, they are helping students to understand a little more in depth about the subject. You are trying to become a chartered accountant. So you will have to understand the accounting standards, the auditing standards, the taxation, the costing, some more business models. So this element from F5 to F9 is going to help you understand a little bit more in depth about all these factors, about all these concepts. Now, coming to the last level of exam, that is your professional level of exam. This consists of 4 papers. Out of these 4 papers, 2 papers are compulsory. That is strategic business reporting and strategic business leader. The remaining 2 papers can be chosen out of 4 options. So you have the option to either appear for advanced financial management, advanced performance management, advanced taxation or advanced audit and assurance. Now at the professional level, 100 marks subjective paper is going to be there. There are going to be no objective questions. All exams of ACCA, be it at the fundamental level or at the professional level, are computerized based exams. Either you will have to book a center to appear for it, or you can also configure your laptop and you can give it from home as well. This professional level of exams going to help the student to have a very in-depth knowledge about all what they studied at the fundamental. So it is just building on the fundamental knowledge, which is very important. Up till now, what we have covered is the exam part of ACCA, which was divided into fundamental and professional level. Once you have completed all your exams, there is a skills and ethics module which you will have to complete. This is an online module which you can find on the ACCA site once you log in. It can be completed once you have completed all your fundamental exams. That means once you've entered the professional level, or it can also be completed after you complete all your exams. So once you have completed the skills and ethics module, the fundamental level of exams and the professional level of exams, then you are going to be called as an ACCA affiliate. To become an ACCA member, you also need to complete 36 months of articleship. This articleship can be done under any ACCA approved employer, or it can also be done under any practicing chartered accountant. What they require as a student to learn in the internship is anything in the field of taxation, accounts, auditing, financial analysis. Once all these 4 steps, that is clearing of the fundamental level exams, professional level exams, skills and ethics module, and completing your 36 months of internship. After all these 4 steps are completed, then you can become a member of ACCA, and that you will be called as an ACCA member. Behind your name, you can add the tag of ACCA. I hope all of you have found this video helpful. In case of any questions, feel free to please comment. I shall definitely revert back. And in case you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe for it. Also, if you guys have not started following me, do start following, that is ACCA classes on Instagram. Okay, thank you.